Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Facebook profile picture not showing on Newsfeed. So if this is something that you want to be able to fix, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you need to do first is to just close your Facebook app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on general. So click on general, scroll down a little bit in here and click on storage. So click on storage. It's just going to take a couple of seconds for me to load this page right here, as you can see. And when it has loaded, then what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down in here and then find the Facebook alternative, or the Facebook app basically. So we're going to scroll down here, then click on Facebook, as you can see. Now you're going to click on upload app, and then once again click on upload app. And here, as you can see, you're going to wait a couple of seconds for this to load completely right here, and then you're going to click on the blue button here, as you can see. And what will happen now is that you will probably need to wait a couple of seconds to maybe a couple of minutes sometimes for your Facebook app to be able to auto update to the latest version. So I did this myself, and I actually was able to fix this problem after this, because it seems that with the new update from Facebook, this problem seems to be fixed. At least for me it was fixed, and you need to wait of course until all of this here is done loading, and it can take like a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, like I said before, but afterwards you can go back and hopefully now this problem will be solved for you.